Welcome to Nasha's Art. Here I'm going to show you how to draw a cut mandarin, so let's get straight to it. First, draw an oval or a squashed circle. Underneath the oval, you'll draw a curved line with a bump in the middle. Curve down, little bump and round. You're now going to follow this line all the way round the top of the oval. So it's a double line all the way round. And carry on that line round to the bottom of the oval. Now we'll draw the stem and the leaf sticking out the top. Start with a little V. Then double up the line down to the stem. Out the top of the oval, draw a pointy, fat leaf. The stem in the middle using a double line. Now for the segments, draw a very light oval in the middle, like a bicycle wheel. And around it, do 10 or 11 of these little curved V shapes. Mandarins have 10 or 11 segments usually. From each of these V shapes, carry on the line out and up and curve it round a little bit like petals of a flower. Continue this all the way round and leave a very thin line in between each segment, as if each segment doesn't want to touch the one next door. Once you've done this, use a rubber, the very corner of it, and just rub out any guiding lines in between the segments so that they look a bit cleaner and clearer. Any segments that have huge gaps in between them, rub out those lines and bring them a bit closer together. You could look at a real mandarin for this. The next bit is the middle part. Draw a few lines from the segments opposite towards the middle and bring in some curved lines from the segments closer by to the middle as well. These are the colours I will be using to colour in the mandarin. Draw orange ovals and colour around them so that it looks as if light is reflecting off the little pieces inside the segments. Colour all the way round with yellow and bring out the details on the edges of the segments with brown. Then work on the leaf with your dark and light greens and yellows, and shade the very outside roughly with your orange. Add some detail with the black, shading and showing the knobbles and bubbles in the skin. Add some dark contrast to the stem and add some knobbles and maybe a little spine or spike along the edge of the leaf, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nash Henkel Art. And if you're interested in seeing any more of my artwork, check out my Insta, Nash Henkel Art.